Hello, guys. So, welcome to our pre-laboratory discussion on polymerase chain reaction. This is activity 9 in our manual. So, what is PCR? PCR is a way of amplifying your DNA. It's a common laboratory technique, no? So, this is by Carl Moles, if you remember. So, when we say amplify DNA, we multiply it. So ma'am, gaano karami yung pagmu-multiply ng PCR? So as much as 10 raised to 9. So that's 9 zeros after 1. So trillion, tama ba? So trillion of DNA copies. So basically, our thermocycler in our PCR, so that the technique inside your thermocycler machine is PCR. And it's our photocopy machine for DNA. Okay? So, after your DNA extraction, there is small amounts of DNA, no? Example in forensic technique, no? Konti lang yung naiwan na semen or in COVID detection. So, we only have collected a few amount of nasopharyngeal swab. So to able to visualize it through our gel electrophoresis or so that we could sequence it, we need to do PCR first, okay? So that we could exponentially, no, talagang raramihan natin yung amplification ng ating DNA. And the output, we call it PCR products or amplicons. So a single PCR cycle consists of distinct steps, okay? So your DAE, denaturation, annealing, and extension. This happens as a cycle in around 30 cycles inside our thermocycler. So after each cycle of PCR, the amount of DNA is doubled, kaya it's exponential amplification. Assuming we only start with a single molecule of DNA, 30 cycles of PCR would yield over billions of copies of our target DNA. So, yun yung gusto nating mangyari after this experiment, okay? So, get some pink form, write these materials. So, for PCR, no, it happens after extraction of your DNA. And after that, you will visualize it under gel electrophoresis. So, until gel electrophoresis lang po yung capacity ng post-PCR steps natin sa molecular lab natin. But if you want to sequence your amplicons is we could bring it to the Philippine Genome Bank. So, the general steps of PCR are these three, okay? So, kung ako masusunod is divide the group into three subgroups, okay? So, two to three members will prepare the master mix. You will perform it in your big microcentrifuge tubes. Then, after that is, you will aliquot your master mix into the small PCR tubes, then add your template. So when I say template, this is your DNA extract. And after that is you will place it inside your thermocycler. And the after thermocycler is you will again freeze the amplicons. Okay? So if you want to do it, separate the group into three. So let's break it down. Okay, let's add more detail. So for the first step is you will prepare the master mix. Okay. Um, Ma'am, bakit kailangan gumawa ng master mix? Okay? So, this will be the source of your reagent. Okay? So, example is you have 20 patients for the day. You need to make a master mix good for 20 PCR tubes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, timplahin mo na lahat sa isang tube muna. That's why we called it a master mix. Then, aliquot it to small PCR tubes, okay? Mas mahirap naman yung gawin na you have a lot of PCR tubes. Example, I told you, you have 20 patients for the day. Alangan na you have 20 PCR tubes, pipette, primer, free RNA is free water. um, tawag doon, ready mix, gano'n. So, mahirap kung nagpapipet ka sa maliliit na PCR tubes, okay? So, you need to make one big batch of your master mix, okay? Parang gagawa kayo ng cookies, no? Mix all the ingredients first, then divide it into smaller batches of cookies. Parang gano'n. So, what is the contents of your master mix, no? Paghahalu-haluin nyo to lahat sa isang microcentrifuge tube, don't forget to always vortex your mixture after mixing it all together. So you will add RNase-free water. I'll tell you how much volume you will place later. You will put 2x. So 2x is a concentration of Kappa Tac Ready Mix. Okay? So we bought this from a supplier and it already contains 3 components to make up a new DNA copy. So kailangan mo ng Taq polymerase. This is an enzyme that is your construction worker that makes up your new DNA sequence. We have DNTPs. Basically, these are your hollow blocks. These are your building blocks. These are your nucleotides to make your DNA copies. And we also have magnesium chloride, okay? So that your Taq polymerase, your construction worker will move, it needs a cofactor, which is magnesium chloride. Okay? And we need primers. So primers are your bookmarks, which will dictate what on what part the Taq polymerase will start amplifying the sequence and end. Okay? So, pag masyadong mahaba ang ina-amplify ng isang Taq polymerase, it will take a long time. Okay? So, you need to mark where you want to start or end your amplification, okay? So this 16S rRNA was designed, okay? So in activity 8, if you're going to read your manual, we have an activity where you can design your primer. So you could replace this if you want, okay? We could amplify any DNA sequence in our laboratory as long as you will purchase different types of primers, okay? So if you want to amplify sequences for thalassemia, just design the primer for it. Okay. If you want to amplify mitochondria, just design an primer for it. Okay? So, RNase-free water, Taq ready mix, and laging consistent po yan. But primers, you could replace it by designing a new one. Okay? So, forward primer will mark the starting point for the Taq polymerase where it will amplify the new sequence. Mamarkahan niya. The forward primer will mark Taq polymerase, dito ka magsa-start mag-amplify. Yun ang function ng forward primer. And the reverse primer will bookmark where the Taq polymerase will stop amplifying. Okay, so that's the use of primer. So guys, dapat walang kulang dito. Okay, so lahat po ito ilalagay nyo sa master mix. Okay, vortex it after mixing it all together. So once you have made your master mix, okay, get 2 PCR tubes, the small ones, no? Then aliquot 40 microliter of master mix to 1 PCR tube. Okay, yan. Lalagay nyo po dyan. And after it is you're going to add your template, your extracted DNA, 10 microliter. So therefore, guys, in 1 PCR tube, there should be a total of 40 plus 10 equals 50 microliters of the volume of our reagents. Okay? So, andyan na po yung master mix at saka yung template. Okay? So, note, template, hindi pa po yan ina-add sa master mix, no? I-add mo lang siya on the second step once once you already have your PCR tubes. Always vortex the mixture 10 to 15 seconds. Okay? Then, set it, put it inside your thermocycler and set it with this temperature, okay? So, inside your thermocycler, tatlong steps po yan. Denaturation, this 95 degrees Celsius. Annealing, 49.3 degrees Celsius. 72 is your extension. And finally, after you complete this 30 to 40 cycles is it will it will stop at a very cool temperature. After nun, kunin nyo na po at pwede nyo na ilagay sa freezer. Don't forget to label it. Okay? So, this one, copy the steps, the temperature and the time. Okay? So, 3 minutes sa initial denaturation at 95. Ma'am, ba't ang taas naman ng denaturation? So, denaturation, what happens in denaturation is your DNA strand separates into two different strands. Yan. So denaturation is the hydrogen bonds are broken between the two strands. Annealing is the primer and the Taq polymerase will attach to the template strand. And after that is 72 extension. The new DNA copy is created. Yun lang. So paulit-ulit lang po yan. That's why it's called a thermocycler. Thermo means heat, cycle means it's a pattern, no? A cyclical pattern, paulit-ulit lang. So up to 30 to 40 cycles. 40 pala to, no? Alright. So guys, ito po ang ang steps natin na mahanap sa manual. Ensure that all reagents are properly thawed. So because it came from the freezer and mixed. So vortex it for 10 to 15 seconds. Prepare a master mix containing the appropriate volume of all reactions common to all reactions to be performed. Calculate the required volume for each component based on the following table. So, in one PCR tube po, dapat ito po ang laman ng lahat ng yon, no? So, for the DNA template, do not add it yet. Okay? So, for your activity, I will ask you to do two reactions. Okay? Two reactions per group. Two reaction. So, you should have two PCR tubes after this PCR activity. Okay? So, to do that is, N is your number of reaction. Always add 1. Okay? So, I always add one more reaction dito. Always add one more reaction volume to account for volume errors inherent in repeat pipetting, okay? So, we could have errors in pipetting, kaya always add 1, okay? So, I want you to do 2 reactions, so plus 1. So, ibig sabihin, i-times stream nyo po to, 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, in your master mix, it should be good for 2 PCR tubes. So, to do that is, di ba, times 2 dapat. Pero always add 1 so that para may extra kayo because there could be pipetting errors. So, simply multiply this by 3, no? So, in your microcentrifuge tube po, add 10 times 3, so 30 microliter po of PCR or RNase-free water. 30 microliter ang ilagay nyo ha, 30. Sulit ko na. Yan. Kasi wala akong pen dito. So, 30 po ang ilalagay nyo dyan. 25 times 3, 75 microliter po ang ilalagay nyo sa isang microcentry. 2.5 times 3, 7.5. Yung dalawa. Please, ang hirap magsulat. Alam nyo na yan. Yan. 7.5. Lagay ko na. Kasi pag di ko nilalagay, mga ano 7.5. Yan. Do not add the template here. Okay? So, this should be the component of your 1 micro centrifuge tube. Okay? Yan. Vortex it after making it. Next. So, transfer the appropriate volumes of mass to individual PCR tubes. So, 40 microliters po of master mix in one PCR tube. Then, add that 10 microliter of your template or your DNA extract. So this is your 40 microliter is your master mix, and your 10 microliter is your template. So dapat po 50, okay? Vertex it all together. Then you will set the ter thermocycler, okay? So, initial denaturation is high talaga ang denaturation. Annealing is you get the melting temperature of your primers -5. So, what I ordered is your 16S rRNA. The melting temperature po nun is like 54.3. So, -5 is 49.3, no? So, yun po ang ilalagay. So, 72 degrees Celsius for the extension. Okay. Ayan. So, that's it. So, I want you to reflect on something. Yan. So, answer this. You don't have to pass this unless Sir Dex will make you pass this. Okay? And guys, that's it. Thank you for listening.